Streaming translation is built for continuous, one-way speech, a lecture, a presentation, an announcement. You keep talking, and your audience reads, and here's the translation live. Press the microphone and just start speaking. Your words appear on the right, and the translation builds on the left, sentence by sentence.
Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining today. Let's start with a quick overview of the agenda. Then we'll open the floor for your questions.
Bienvenidos todos. Gracias por acompañarnos hoy. Comencemos con un resumen rápido de la agenda. Luego abriremos el turno de preguntas.
Open the settings to control exactly how it works. Engine chooses the translator. VTranslate is the fastest. Vavus AI understands more context. Segmentation decides when it commits a translation. Sentence waits for a natural pause. Continuous translates as you go, with less delay. Speech recognition sets transcription quality from standard all the way up to medical pro for clinical terms. Voice quality controls the spoken translation from standard up to lifelike AI voices. Autoplay TTS speaks each translation out loud as soon as it's ready. Show interim transcript reveals your words as you say them, before the sentence is final. Pause mic during TTS stops listening while the translation plays, so the app never hears itself. That's streaming translation, continuous speech, translated the moment you speak it.